Hi everybody, welcome back. I am Akanksha and in today's video we are going to see very easy leaf doodles ahead of the World Environment Day on 5th of June. So let's get started. So the theme for this year is ecosystem restoration. That is, it aims to prevent, halt, and reverse the degradation of ecosystems on every continent and in every ocean. So, as leaves and plants form an integral part of our ecosystem, let's do some easy leaf doodles today. So I have outlined with a pencil and now I am just drawing it over. These are very easy and simple botanical illustrations. So I'm just going to leave it along with the music. I hope you like the video. If you do like, do subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and keep watching. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.